Hello guys, this is Home Gun Maker again. Check out what has just arrived in the mail from my friend Comrade Mauser. He's a Russian guy who lives in Germany and he makes the most perfect replicas of guns out of metal, out of wood, and they're all absurdly perfect. I've always admired his work. He also has a 3D printer where he makes amazing replicas which shoot rubber bands and have shell-ejecting function. And he sent me one through the mail all the way from Germany, and I wanted to unbox it and check it out with you guys. He creates these 3D models and he designs the templates himself. He also sells the 3D files for the 3D printer. I will leave the link to his YouTube channel in the description, as well as the link where you can buy the project files for this gun and other 3D models he creates. Let's open it. I am very excited to see what it looks like. He showed me some pictures and I saw some videos of it, and as you've seen in the description, you know it's a SIG Sauer P226. So let's check it out and see what it is. Whoa, he even sent me some German chocolate. Oh my god, look at this! He's really a nice guy. We've got some drawing here. I'm gonna ask him who did it. And check it out. We have some shells and some rubber bands. Look at this, how cool! Shells. Check that out. Look at this, they're plastic or some kind of polymer. And this is the gun. It has an orange tip which has kind of damaged on the trip. Look at this, whoa! Nice blowback. And we have a magazine. He prints them on a 3D printer and he paints them. They look really realistic. Look at this, how cool. This is really cool. Okay, let's put some shells in it. Oh my god, I really loved it. Check out his channel and check out his webpage where you can buy the 3D files. Where do we put? Oh, here in the back. Okay. Here. And another one here. This is a really nice toy, and he even sent me some chocolate. What a nice guy. Please guys, go check out his channel. Give him some love, and if you've got a 3D printer, please consider buying the files because it's really a nice toy. Okay, let's see the shell ejecting function and if it hurts. Okay, it hurts a little bit. Oops, got stuck. This is really cool. It's a SIG Sauer P226. He really did the engravings here. And the mag release, he put some orange tip. 9mm parabellum. Check out the blowback. I'm gonna be studying this mechanism to implement on my guns. Oh, I loved the shell ejecting. Let's check it again, even without the rubber bands. Guys, this is so cool. No? Yes? Yes? So cool. And it shoots rubber bands and ejects the shell. and it works perfectly. So cool. So please check out his channel, check out where you can download and buy the files for this gun and other guns as well, and send him some love. Subscribe to his channel because he's really nice and he sent me this all the way from Germany. So thank you guys very much for watching, and I see you in my next video.